It was so weird.
Okay.
Welcome back, everyone, to Crazy Creative Kitchen. Today we're doing spaghetti squash.
An eggplant.
An eggplant, right?
At first.
Taking the insides out.
Okay.
Putting the spices. So they're just equally
Yeah, sprinkle it.
Okay. And now. Alright. So now we're gonna put our eggplants in. Let me just put my spatula down. And now we're gonna put it like that. Alright. Mix it around. Now we're gonna put some garlic in. Mix it around. A little sprinkle of pepper. Now a little bit of oregano. Mix it up. Tomato, but not potato. And some peppers. And then we're gonna put in some basil. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it and then we're gonna put it in the squash. Just let them cook now. Let them cook. So now we're gonna put half the sauce in that and half the sauce in that. So now, put a little bit more. Okay. And now, all I gotta do is dump all of it in there because it does pile.
Oh yeah. Never get away with too much basil.
Yeah.
It's perfect. So now we wrap it and we bake it.
Yeah, so I don't know how to wrap.
Oh, you want me to wrap it?
Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna wrap it. We switched places because I'm such a good cameraman. It's not that I didn't know how to wrap it or anything. Yeah.
Wrap it.
Yeah. And put it in the oven.
Let it cook.
Let him cook. Let him cook. I said, let him cook now. Okay. Now, bye. Some cheese in there.
CJ put some cheese and I'm gonna put a little bit more basil. Then we'll put it back in the oven.
Yeah.
Let it burn.
Let it burn. Look at that beauty. Now, can I try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it actually looks like spaghetti.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so after we ding dong, he did all and mixed it up. I got everything. Now we're trying everything right here.
And that's hot.
It was hot. Ooh,
Is it good?
yeah, but like that taste. All right.
Maybe it needs some salt.
Yeah, I'm recording. You know what I mean?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Some cheese.
I didn't get it with no cheese. Pretty good. I think so.